Hello everyone. Thank you for returning back to the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button if you're liking the content that's here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I make the next up and coming video. Now let's go ahead and get started, and we're talking about like 7 alternatives from Canva, which I will share Canva here today as well, in which that will probably be the first part of this video that I'm going to start off with Canva. Okay, now Canva is a graphic design platform where you can sit there and make all different types of templates and graphic designs, and yes, you can start with Canva for free. Like I said, I am a member of this site and a few more other sites that I'm going to share that I'm also a member with. But with that said, this is like one of my go-to graphic design websites that I love and I like a lot. Now, with that said, Canva also has a lot of different designs that they have often here, which you can create, like a visual suite, docs, presentations, online whiteboards, PDF editor, graphics, and diagrams. Also, video editor is a YouTube video editor as well, a photo editor, a photo colleagues. It's business cards you can create. You can also create cards, flyers, posters, logos, like cups, graphics, t-shirts, graphics, sweatshirts with hoodies, and so forth. Also, it has calendars that you can set up a calendar on inside here. You can set up a schedule also inside your whatever, like Facebook, Instagram, and so forth.
I didn't know that.
Such schedules, so where you can schedule those out, that type of content that you're putting out there. There's also a QR code generator, stickers, websites. You can build a website within inside here. They have social networks that you can share your social networks with inside here, brochures, and so forth. Now, there's educational purposes that's within inside here as well. So they have different tutorials around this on YouTube as you're watching this video right now at this time. I'm not going to spend too much more time onto this here website because I have 5 more or 6 more pages to go, and we're going to talk about. Okay, and I'll leave a link down in the description below for each and every one of these graphic design websites for you, okay, where you'll be able to go in there and enhance it and change some things, and it'll actually take you right there, whatever that suits you. Okay, now I'm gonna go to picmonkey. Now I don't know if you ever heard of this website. It's powered. You can power your brand with photo editing and design. It's also, like I said, this is a video over content creation and different websites that you can actually join for free. They do have a free trial with inside here, and I do believe it's a 7-day free trial. Now, the pricing on this, I want to share that with you. It can be the basic plan. It's $72. That's probably on the annual bill annually. So you're looking at approximately $7.99, as you can see right here, bill monthly. So it comes out to $72 for the whole entire year. Okay, and these are the additional features with inside the basic plan. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to spend a whole lot on here, but I will leave down links below so you can take a look at what they have over here at picmonkey and what all the sorts of things that you can do. It's almost about the same as Canva, but not as quite. You know, their tools in here is not as quite like Canva.
I didn't know that.
It does pretty much what you need it to do. Okay. Now, with that said, let's go on to the next. Now, we often cite Folder. Folder is another alternative from Canva. Now, you can create designs and graphics inside here, and it also has an AI powered tool that's an AI generator type of tool that you can actually generate and do face swap and AI avatar and expand certain things with inside here. Now you can like erase different things. It's almost something like I said, it's another alternative
Wow.
from Canva. Like they do have a lot of different graphic designs that you can have here and different templates that's with inside here. I will leave, like I said, I will leave a link down below and you'll be able to get over here pretty darn fast. Like I said, you make your decision on which graphic design platform that you will go with, okay? And as I said before, there will be a link down in the description below, okay? Jasper is another alternative playground, another alternative from Canva that you can actually go in here and create different like designs or whatnot, and it is AI platform. It is an AI website where you can actually generate and create images from AI just by talking text or whatnot. Well, text and speech or whatnot. I don't even know if they have the text to talk just yet, but it is a free trial. And like I said before, I will leave a link down below and you'll be able to take a look at what they have over here. But let's take a look at the pricing on this, okay? Now with the pricing on here, it's $59 per month. That's billed annually. It is a 7-day trial that you can give it a try, and I think it's pretty darn awesome. This is another website that's pretty doggone awesome, I'd say. But with that said, let's go on to the next program.
Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're liking the content here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That will sure help the algorithm and help out the channel. Now with that said, y'all continue on watching the video.
Okay, VizMe. I guess I'm saying that right. VizMe is another alternative that you can go to and you can sign up for free. Okay, this site here actually it does the same thing as Canva, and it is you can try it for free, and I think it's a pretty doggone awesome website. Okay, like I said, this is easy solutions. I'm all about having solutions for your problem for online marketing and for affiliate marketing and so forth. Now you do need to have content, and you want to be able to create content on a fly. Okay, so with that said, whenever you come over here, I'll link, like I said, it will be a link down below, and you can go over here like ASAP, quick, fast. But you, like I said, you make the decision on what's good for you and what's going to benefit and help you. Okay, so with that said, let's go on to the next website. All right, we're on Kittl. Kittl is a great graphic design website, and it's mostly good for like t-shirts and bags and doing like different like markups and those sorts of things. But you can do it on all these particular platforms that I'm sharing with you today. But I thought Kittl was pretty fantastic for us. You see how this text right here, you can kind of like give it some kind of graphics and design to that actual text and so forth. I thought Kittl was a very awesome website as well. I use it for my online marketing and creating like t-shirts and different graphic designs with inside there, so where that you know, that it is eye-catching and very intuitive for people like yourself and like me. Now with that said, I'm going to share this last one with you, and I actually purchased this, like I was saying, I actually purchased this last I would say probably around in 2018. That is correct. And this site here is just like Canva,
and all the other websites that I shared with you, except that this is not no monthly fee with this. You just purchase this one time only, and you just purchase it, and it actually has some bonuses and some big perks that's within inside this once you do make a purchase. Now, like I said, there's a link down in the description below. And with that said, I am affiliated a part of this right here, this program with this here specific type of software. And the software, I thought it was pretty awesome. You got a logo factory, you got one-click background remover, you have a slick image editor, you have all-in-one design markup, which is like Canva, where you do Facebook posts like banners, ads, and so forth. And those are just the additional with inside all-in-one design markup. It actually has the what you call it, the actual wow, my mind just went blank. But yeah, it actually has like the actual dimensions onto those different platforms that you could actually share and make those posts and so forth, like thumbnails and so forth. And it also has the animated ad builder, a pixel perfect, like you can make those pictures that's got the pixelation that's kind of like fuzzy, and it kind of looks close. When you zoom in, it kind of like messes up and it looks kind of messed up. Well, that pixel perfect will fix that. I will share other websites as well in the near future on that where you can actually enhance those and make those pictures better. There has a 3D live motion photos where you can actually take a still image and make some type of make some graphics little type of things going on. I'm gonna share that through with you on this here video, right in this part of this video. And you have a magic object remover, so like if you want to move like letters and that sort of thing. Like I said, everything that you see right here, that I actually have the Video Resizer and Video Survey Pro. Now those are additional tools that I actually do love. I don't use it a lot, but I do love that I have it. And the training with inside here is super duper awesome. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the the magic object. Well, not the magic object. Which one was it? The 3D live motion pit photos. I'm gonna show you just a brief tutorial on how that's gonna turn out and what it can look like. Okay. Now, you've probably seen these on YouTube or whatnot. You can actually go on YouTube and you can search this yourself and look up for Design Beast. You don't have to take my word on it. I'm just actually a guy that actually owns the product. Like I said, I would not sit up here and recommend something that I wouldn't be doing myself. Okay, and I just want you to know that. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and let's push this here.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how you can create 3D live motion photos app that's turning boring and still photos to lifelike, moving and eye-catching motion videos. Now, there are two apps in the package, 3D motion photos and live motion photos. In this video, we'll go through the live motion photos app. Just click on Start Application. And you can upload an image from your computer or search from the stock photos. Let's click on stock photos and let's search for dust car here. Just click on search and you get a lot of images. In this case, let's quickly choose this one for an example. I'll just choose the size. You can toggle between landscapes.
Okay, as you can see that, right? As you see that whereas he's got this picture, right? And you see that it's a still image. But watch what he does with this here and what this tool does. I thought it was super awesome. You might have seen this around throughout other types of videos on the internet if you an internet junkie like I am. But let me finish playing this video, then we're gonna end this sector of this here video. Okay?
Fire, mobile, and free crop. Okay, in this case, let's quickly do landscape and let's choose this and let's click on proceed. Just give it a second to load. Now here what you're going to do is we need to make the smoke move. We are putting the smoke into the motion. So there are two things here. First thing is draw direction and second thing is pinpoint. I suggest you to choose pinpoint first and mark the area that you don't want to be animated in the photo. In this case, we don't want this car to be animated. Let's do this real quick. Cool. Now, once this is marked, choose the directions and just show the directions of the smoke. In this case, I want this to be gone in this direction. Let's quickly do it. Just add all these directions here. And now if you play, you'll see the magic happening. Wow, as you could see, now the smoke effect is moving, right? You can adjust the speed up.
Okay, now what about that? What do you think about that image right there? Like I said, I don't want to keep you here too long. With that said, hopefully you're loving what's the content that I'm sharing with you guys here today. And I'm hoping that you're liking the video. If so, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you're liking the content and you want to continue on watching videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I make the next up and coming video. Now with that said, look forward to seeing you on the next Easy Solutions.